Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to open a joint account on the Monese app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First you have to open the Monese application. Then if you check the top of the screen near your balance, you will see the currency that your balance is using, the account. And if you tap on it, you will see all the available accounts to open. You can open accounts in other currencies. I already made videos about that, so if you're interested in other currencies, you can check out those videos. But now we are talking about the joint account. So if you want to open a joint account, just tap on the joint account. Here you will see a few informations about the joint account. Monese for two. A separate joint account to share with someone close to you. You will each get your own card to use separately. So this means that you will have a bank account, which is the bank account of two people. So you can use this with your husband or wife, or with your fiance, and you will have one account for the two of you. You will receive debit cards, and you can use the debit cards, and both of your spendings are going to show up in the same account, which can be very useful if you are in the same household. So I think this is a great feature, and this is how you can apply for it. And when you're ready, you just tap on the get started, and here you can invite the other person. If they have a Monese account, then you can just invite them by their username. They have to accept it, and you can create your shared account, or you can connect it by your phone book. If they don't have a Monese account, they will receive an invite link. They can sign up, and they can join the joint account. You can use it by adding this account number as your main place to receive your salary. So both of your salaries will arrive to the same account, and you can manage your finances together. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.